Hey, good morning, class. So, if you go to the store and you have a coupon or something's on sale that you really want to buy, that's good news, right? Because you don't have to pay as much as the price says you do. Like if you have a 20% coupon, that's good news. You don't have to pay as much. But every time you use a coupon in a store and get it for cheaper, you still have to pay a sales tax. All right? So the price is going to go down some because of the coupon, and then it's going to go up a little bit because of the tax. Okay? So I'm going to show you an example of how this would work like in real life. So here's the question. Larry bought a PlayStation 5 that cost $500, but it is on sale for 20% off. He's getting a 20% discount. Good news, it's going to be cheaper than $500. There's also a sales tax of 8.5%. So even though he's going to get it cheaper than $500, we're going to find that cheap price, but we're going to have to put a sales tax on it. Okay? Now the total price should be less than $500 because if you notice, the discount is 20% and the tax is 8.5%. The discount is a bigger percent than the tax, so we should be able to save more money than we're going to have to pay in taxes, if that makes sense. So the answer should be less than $500 because the discount is more than the tax. All right? So like if this discount wasn't here and you had to pay $500 plus this tax, it would cost more than $500. We're going to get a discount first, and then we're going to put a tax on it, and let's see what we come up with. Okay? All right, let's see what we come up with for how much Larry has to pay for the PlayStation. All right. So let's get down to the details. It costs $500, and the discount was 20%, and the tax was 8.5%. So here's how we're going to solve this. We're going to figure out the discount amount first. We're just going to do the discount first. All right? So we're going to say $500 PlayStation times the discount, which is 20%, or decimal 20. And when we do that, we come up with $100. Remember, that's not how much the PlayStation costs, that's how much the discount is worth. So this 20% discount is really like saying you get $100 off the TV, or off the PlayStation 5, sorry. So let's do our price now of the PlayStation 5. It did cost $500. We figured out that 20% of that was $100, so we get to take it away. You get to pay $100 cheaper. 500 minus 100, $400. So, instead of paying $500 for the PlayStation 5, he only has to pay $400 for the PlayStation 5. Good for Larry, right? But it's going to cost a little more than $400, turns out, because we have to do the tax. All right? Normally, we would take the tax and times it by the price, right? But we have a new price. It doesn't cost $500 anymore. Now it only costs $400. So we're going to take our new price of $400 and put a tax on it. And how do we put a tax on something? We times it by the rate, the tax rate, 8.5 or 0.085, 0.85%. I'm actually going to need my calculator for this one. So we're going to say $400 times 8.5%, and that gives me 34. So that's our tax. $34 is the tax. What do we do with the tax? We add it. Remember, the taxes are bad. It makes the prices go up. So we're going to take our new discounted PlayStation 5, that's $400 instead of $500. We're going to add our tax, which was $34. So after all of that, we end up with a PlayStation 5 that cost $434. Okay? It was $500. We took a discount off of $100, which made it $400. Then we figured out the tax on the $400 and added it to the price. So it went from $500 to $434. All right? Use this example to do all the problems where you have to do a discount and a sales tax. Thanks.